Google just dropped Gemini Omni inside Google Vids, and it completely changes what it costs to create video content for your clients. You can now generate a professional-looking video from a sketch, a text prompt, or a handful of product photos. No timeline editing, no stock footage libraries, and here's the part that matters for anyone running social media services. You can produce client video content in under 20 minutes using tools you probably already have access to. I am going to walk you through the exact workflow, show you how this stacks against platforms that charge you monthly before you have made anything, and at the very end, I will show you the one prompt structure that makes these videos look like they came from a professional production team, not AI. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I teach solo operators and freelancers how to use AI tools to build service businesses without the subscription overhead. If you got value from this, drop a like and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete framework for turning tools like this into actual client income, the Daily Deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only there for people coming from this video, so grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Most video creation platforms lock their best features behind a $20 to $50 a month plan. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest commissions behind them. Just something to think about. The subscription tax hits especially hard when you are just starting out. You are paying for capability you have not monetized yet. Google Vids with Gemini Omni flips that model. If you already have Google Workspace access, which a lot of freelancers and small businesses do, the video generation capability is sitting there waiting. No new monthly bill, that is the leverage point. Let me show you what I call the instant visual stack. It is a workflow for producing client-ready video content from rough concepts using free or low-cost tools you probably already have. Gemini Omni inside Google Vids is the engine. You feed it sketches, brand photos, or text descriptions. It builds motion, handles physics, and keeps your visuals consistent shot to shot. That last part is what makes this actually usable for client work. Older AI video tools would give you one great frame and then the next clip looked like a different universe. This holds together. Here's how it works. You open Google Vids, you drop in a sketch, something you drew on paper or whipped up in 30 seconds on an iPad. Gemini Omni converts that rough visual into a polished video scene. Or you skip the sketch entirely and just write what you want. Show a local coffee shop exterior transitioning to a busy morning rush inside, warm lighting, fast motion. It generates the clip. You can also upload reference images, a client's logo, their brand colors, a product shot. The tool builds the video around those assets and keeps them visually consistent across every frame. Now here is what that actually looks like for someone offering social media content creation. One client call. They describe what they need for their feed this month. You take notes, you spend 20 minutes inside Google Vids generating 3 short videos, a product spotlight, a behind the scenes loop, and a testimonial style intro. Every piece matches their brand. No stock footage hunting, no timeline edits. That is a $300 content package built on infrastructure that costs you nothing extra to access. Most social scheduling platforms with built-in video editors charge you $30 to $50 a month and still require manual assembly. Your version runs faster and cleaner. The conversational editing layer is where this stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like a shortcut. You generate the first draft of a video, then you just tell it what to change. Make the lighting warmer, swap the background to an office setting, remove the text overlay in the second half. It applies the edits without opening a menu or dragging a slider. That speed is what makes the workflow repeatable. You are not troubleshooting software, you are iterating with a client in real time on a call. Think about what just changed for someone running social media management services. One intake form. The client gives you their logo, 3 product images, and a rough idea of what they want their feed to communicate this quarter. You produce 12 short videos in an afternoon using Gemini Omni. Every frame is on brand. Every clip is optimized for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. That is a $1,200 retainer built on free infrastructure. Platforms that specialize in social video content charge you monthly and still make you edit timelines manually. Here you are generating and refining faster than they can load. And listen, if you have not already grabbed the Daily Deposit course, it is linked in the description right now. Under $30 for viewers of this video instead of $197. That is the complete system I use for turning AI tools into service income, not just theory, the actual workflows. That pricing is only live for people watching this. So if you are serious about building this into something that pays you, head over and grab it. Drop a comment if you are an I want to see who is taking action on this. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a specific scenario. You land a client who owns a local fitness studio. They need video content every week, but they have no production budget and no time to shoot. You ask them for 5 photos, exterior shot of the studio, the main workout area, their logo, and 2 action shots of classes in motion. You upload those images into Google Vids. You write 5 text prompts describing the vibe they want. High energy morning class, calm yoga session at sunset, quick testimonial style intro. Gemini Omni generates 5 short videos using their actual brand assets as visual anchors. Every clip feels cohesive because the reference images keep the look consistent. You deliver the batch, they post 1 per week. You charge $250 a month for ongoing content. The tool costs you nothing to run. Most video platforms with AI generation features bundle that capability inside a $40 a month plan. Your margin is cleaner. The sketch to video feature is where this gets wild for product-based clients. Say someone is launching a new product and they want a teaser video before they have finished photography. You sketch a rough concept, maybe a simple outline of the product on a table with lighting cues. You upload that sketch into Google Vids. It converts your drawing into a polished animated scene. The client sees the vision before they commit to a full shoot. You charge a setup fee for the concept video. That deliverable used to require a designer, an animator, and coordination across multiple tools. Now it is 1 upload and 1 prompt. The cost barrier just collapsed. Here's the thing most people miss when they first try this. The quality of your output depends entirely on how you structure the reference images and the prompts you feed it. You cannot just drop a random photo and expect magic. You need to give Gemini Omni clear visual anchors, brand colors, logo placement, the exact style you want it to match. That specificity is what separates someone who tried this once and gave up from someone who is delivering client-ready work every week. The paid platforms handle some of that automatically because they lock you into templates. Here you build your own system, and once you have it dialed in, you move faster than anyone paying monthly for theirs. Picture what your next 30 days look like once you have this workflow running. A client needs video content. You do not panic about production costs or timelines. You open Google Vids. You pull their brand assets. You write 3 prompts. You generate 3 videos in under an hour. You deliver them same day. They pay you. You repeat that with the next client. No render queues, no export delays, no subscription stack weighing down your margin before you have invoiced anyone. That is what changes when you stop paying for capability before you have monetized it. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The prompt structure that makes these videos look professional instead of obviously AI generated. You need 3 layers in every prompt you write. Layer 1, the visual anchor. Name the specific reference image or brand asset you uploaded, using the uploaded logo and brand colors. Layer 2, the scene description. Be concrete about lighting, motion, and framing. Exterior shot of a storefront at golden hour. Slight camera pan, left to right. Layer 3, the style modifier. Tell it what kind of video this is supposed to feel like. Corporate explainer style, or high energy social media loop, or calm testimonial vibe. That 3-layer structure keeps Gemini Omni from drifting into generic AI video territory. It locks the output to something that feels intentional. Most people skip layer 3 and wonder why their videos look off. Add that style modifier and everything clicks. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.